this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can connect multiple servos via USB to your computer. So let's get started with it. So guys, these are some of the basic components you need to have before you get started with it. Like Arduino Uno I'm having, and this programming cable for Arduino, breadboard with 2-chip powered line, some male-to-male connectors, 1.5 volts battery for external voltage, some servos as you can see here. I'm having micro or mini as per the need. You can maximum control ranges up to 12 servos, but you can take less than that depending upon your needs. Yeah, so let's get started with it. Now you can see I'm having this servo with this connector and some more of them, like these are them. So I will hook some male-to-male connector with this breadboard to power external with the supply of batteries. Now I'm gonna hook up some male-to-male connectors with it. Let's start with it. Yeah, do remember the color pin configuration. The brown pin stands for signal, red stands for positive voltage, yellow starts for the signal, red for the positive voltage, and brown for ground. So let's get started. You can choose any color as per your need in this handle. I'm here choosing whichever cable I'm having, so you just hook up with it. That's it, going off. This is done. One done. Probably the fat. I'm gonna do the fast forwarding of it. Let's mount this up. Yeah, do you remember? This is the breadboard. In this, one terminal is common with all of them as respect to the another. If this is I'm choosing ground, this might be probably the next one will be positive. So we need, and this is the you can say couple breakup between these two. These two are not common. Yeah, do you remember? These two have different. If you hooking up this servos with this port, only use this much up to range. Not and if you're using this range, do you use this range? They both are not connected. I think you got this. You can go with it. Servos are probably not damaged. Getting this, getting dangerous. Trust the life, trust yourself. Trust the life, trust yourself. Trust your life, trust yourself. Baby, do we control? Do we control? Can we control? Because where we come from, you can afford. Breakdown of it. Now make sure you connect the external power supply with it, the breadboard. The first one is positive and the another one is negative. That's it. And yeah, you have to take one ground pin to the Arduino because we are taking external voltage from the battery now. So make sure that you do this before you get started with it. You can connect it from any Arduino ground pin like this. I'm having here ground pin array. I'm choosing this side as it's quite easy for me to make this happen. Now connect the signal cable from range of pin 2 to 12. Maximum number of controlling pins are from 2 to 12. You can do this. Got it? So I'm choosing pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, or any of between this range you can choose depending upon your need. Let me focus. That's it, got it. That's it, got it. Yeah, done. So this is the final look of my setup. This is my battery, my Arduino, cables, servos, and I'm gonna connect this pin for programming. So let's start over. So guys, now let's